Hey, y'all. It's Lurlene, I'm back. I come back to this sugar cane house tonight, and I went to light the grill, and look what happened to me. I blowed my pretty hair up. Oh, I'm so upset. Oh. I'm gonna have to stop drinking, y'all. Lick my quack, my neck, and my back. Lick my butt and my quack. That's a pretty good right now. Yo, I've been so upset. I'm sorry. I've been gone for so long. I swear. I went off and I met a man, and he seemed like he was such a nice man. You know what I mean? Have you ever met somebody and they turn out to be not so nice after all? He was a cult leader. That's what they told me now. He was a cult leader. Oh, he made me eat live cats, y'all. Oh, he locked me up in a cage, he did. Oh, and then I come home and I set my pretty hair on fire. Oh. I'm gonna go see my hairdresser tomorrow and see if she can help Miss Lurlene. Right now, lick it good. Serve this pussy just like you should. My neck, my back, my pussy and my crack, my neck. I got back here. Miss Sugar has left. She ain't here no more. I don't know where she has gone to. She left these damn cats here though, so I know she's coming back. They had all this food laying in there, y'all, and I got him, and I ain't had nothing to eat, and I ate them cats as a food. I'm gonna go with some more, but I sure did. I ate it up. I ate it up. Yeah, motherfucker. That's a pretty girl. She a nasty red-headed girl. She said her neck, her back, her pussy, and her quack. She wanted all licked up. Oh no! She a nasty, nasty girl. Look, y'all, I tell you what, I got me some of this here. What is this shit? So Chiclet Malt Liquor 40s. This stuff, it will make all your problems go away for one night only. A one night only. Oh, oh. Oh, we got all these bad folks in the world now, y'all. All these people shooting on children and stuff. I don't understand it. Oh, it hurt my feelings so bad. Oh, Lord, I've been gone so long. I still ain't got no more perfect teeth, cause everybody that I met at the car, they ain't have no teeth neither, cause they had pulled all their teeth out to get all the gold figures out of them. Oh yeah, they sold them at the pawn shop. Lord have mercy. Oh. What in the hell is this that I'm listening to now? I don't like it already. I don't like it. That cat food was good, y'all. Oh, when you're hungry, lots of things is good to you. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna see what else I can find to listen to. I am. Oh Lord, have mercy. And I told all of them people, I said, that when I found out that them folks was a cult, I said, they said they was gonna find my mama and my daddy. And I said, let me tell you something. You can fuck with me, but don't fuck with my mama and my daddy. I said, I will cut off, bitch. And then I went off on them motherfucker, and they said, we better let this bitch go, cause shit is not right in her head. And you know what, yo? They were right. I am not right in my head. I ain't trying to tell nobody that I am. And it's alright. That's right. It's alright. Let's see. I bet I can find us something to watch. Oh, there's more people singing that song. That dirty, dirty song. Let's see. This man right here. Now. This man, I love this song, y'all. And this man can sing it. Ooh, I'm gonna listen to it. Yes, yes.